Here's going to be a retake of the 1990s EPL traction lift at Brisbane Arcade. I'm also interested how these do not operate on Sundays. So I'm not going to try it out because it will be switched off on Sunday. Please be careful when entering or exiting the lift. It might not be level. That means it might have pre-doors. But we'll see. I do like the indicator. Sadly it's broken though. Sadly the indicator is not working, but here it is. Are you going up or not? Okay. I love these EPL buttons. Sadly the indicator's got modded into shit, but it's okay. Cat view though. Here's a stop button. I'm not pushing that because remember what happened last time? Got stuck last time. No pre-doors, sadly. With number one, we're in the video here.